we can continue. Now, this is a very interesting situation that we have over here. Okay, so let's pay careful attention to this one. Now, we can see from this equation that sine theta over cos theta will give us tan. Okay, sine theta over cos theta will give us tan. But then here it's not sine theta over cos theta, but then what we see is that we have flipped it. It is cos theta over sine theta. So basically we see that this is basically the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, so whatever that we have here is simply the reciprocal of tan theta, and we know that the reciprocal of tan theta is what? It is cot theta. Okay, so this will be cot theta, the part that is inside the bracket, and then squared, the square that was outside the bracket. Okay, and then and then we get this, so it's cosec squared theta. Now we get a very interesting identity here, because we see that if I take this guy to the other side, we find another identity that says that cosec squared, not cos squared, but then cosec. So cosec squared of theta minus cot squared of theta, this gives us a value of 1. Okay, so this is another identity that we derive from our main identity, this one.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next